Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Expedition Volunteer Quest from Massimo in Heartopia for the upcoming Call of Whales event. Okay, I'm going to show you the Expedition Volunteer sign up quest. And as you can see here guys, that we need to get approval from the town residents, and one of them is Massimo. So just go to Massimo and talk to him and start the Expedition Volunteer Quest. And we need to submit 5 raspberries to complete the quest. I've already collected the raspberry, so I'm gonna immediately submit it to Massimo. Okay, done. And we'll get the stamp or the sign from Massimo. If you haven't collected the raspberry yet, you can go to the flower field and collect 5 raspberries, and then just go to Massimo to submit them. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the Expedition Volunteer Quest from Massimo in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!